tracks, bro. We on the chain tracks. Peep the homies ride though. You know he's got a big cock. Nice. Peep the drip. The fashion. See it, man. Couple flicks in. Tunnel vision. Look what I did on I can see you winning. The drip on the boy. Bet you fuck a lot of pussy with that. Oh my pussy! How's it going, man? What are you doing today? What are you doing today? Nice. What you eating?
No, it's not. I gotta sit 4 hours.
Damn. Hey, that's tough.
Yeah.
That's how it goes, man.
Yeah, 3 days a week.
Damn, that's tough. Alright, see you later, man. Thank you. Not mine, but fucking. Put out the cancer stick though, bro. Come on, that shit fucking smells. For real.
For you? Yeah.
Oh, you guys forgot the tip? Excuse me, you guys forgot the tip? You guys forgot the tip. Tip of his dick. He said the what?
Started from the bottom, now we way up. And I got the baddest bitch, she stays up. Ain't no fucking playing, we ain't game boys. Now we got a name, they wanna frame us. Make sure that you keep a third eye. All these niggas ain't gon' ride.